Hey guys, I have a little car trouble. Do you think I can have a ride?
We normally don't pick up hitchhikers, but I'm going to go with my instincts here. Saddle up, partner. You're it.
You're it.
You're it, quizzes.
You're it, anti-quizzes, no startses.
You can't do that.
I can do that.
You cannot. Stamped it.
Can too, double stamped it.
Cannot triple stamped it. No raises.
You can't double stamp a double stamp.
La 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 la.
You can't double stamp a double stamp. You cannot double stamp a double stamp. Lloyd! Lloyd! Guys! Enough!
Hey, do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Guys, can we just listen to the radio or something?
Radio? Who needs a radio? Ready, Harry? Mark.
Yeah.
In.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
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 Everybody, have you heard?
Have you heard?
He's gonna buy me a mockingbird.
Mockingbird.
And if that mockingbird won't sing,
What's it?
he's gonna buy me a diamond ring.
Diamond ring.
And if that diamond ring won't shine,
Sunshine. Look, look. There's some people over there who need a ride.
pick him up.